Good morning, everyone. In chapter 5, that is coal and petroleum, till now we have discussed about the classification of resources, that is exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. And after that, we have discussed about fossil fuels. And then we have started with the main topic of the chapter, that is coal. We have seen the formation of coal and the various varieties of coal. Now, in our today's topic, we have to discuss about the destructive distillation of coal. Okay, this is the process by which we can obtain the various useful products from coal. So, what is the process? You already have uh, discussed about the distillation process. In this process, we have to heat the liquid so that the liquid can be converted into the vapors form. Now these vapors get collected and condensed, and finally we will get liquid, pure liquid. This process is called as distillation. Okay, so distillation is, we can say, is the combination of boiling and condensation. So if we are talking about destructive distillation, so in this process basically one substance has to be taken, and on heating of this substance we can get various products. Okay, one substance will split up into the various products, so that's why it is called as destructive. So destructive distillation. In the process of destructive distillation of coal, we have to heat the coal in the absence of oxygen. Only then we will able to get the various useful products. Okay? If we heat the coal in the presence of oxygen, then what will happen? By heating the coal, its temperature will increase, and it will temperature will increase till its ignition temperature. Now, what is ignition temperature? That is the temperature at which any substance start burning. The temperature at which any substance catches fire. So that temperature is called ignition temperature. So if we heat the coal and its temperature reaches till its ignition temperature, and oxygen is also available over there. So in that case, both the conditions which are required for combustion are available, that is ignition temperature and oxygen, so that coal will start burning. And at the last, we will not get anything. It will burn completely to produce CO2 and water vapors. Okay, so we are not able to get the useful products if we heat the coal in the presence of oxygen. So that's why we have to heat the coal in the absence of oxygen. Now when we heat the coal in the absence of oxygen, so we get the various products, and these products are mainly coal gas, coke and coal tar. These are the main three products which are obtained by destructive distillation of coal. Now if you see the diagram, so here we have taken the powdered coal in test tube A. On heating this powdered coal, we will get a liquid in test tube B. Black color liquid you can see in the diagram in test tube B, that is coal tar, and along with this liquid some gases are also produced. Okay, the mixture of gases, and that is named as coal gas. So we can get the coal gas from this outlet of test tube B. And after removing of coal tar and coal gas, whatever the solid form is left behind in test tube A, that is the third product, that is coke. So if we heat the coal, so all the substances are removed in the form of coal tar and coal gas, and basically the uh, main carbon, which is almost the purest form of the carbon, that will be left behind in test tube A, and that is named as coke. Okay, so these are the three products which are obtained by destructive distillation of coal: coal gas, coke and coal tar. Now we will discuss them one by one. The first one is coke. That is a tough, porous and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon because all the impurities are removed. Coke is used in manufacturing of steel and extraction of many metals. Now, what is extraction? Metals generally found in the form of compound, in the form of combined state, okay, in the earth crust. Now, from there, these combined state of metals are named as minerals. From these minerals, from some minerals, out of all these minerals, from some minerals we can extract the metals profitably, and these are known as ores. Ores, these are the natural occurring compound of metals from which metals can be extracted profitably. Now, how these metals can be extracted? From the combined state, it has to be converted into the free metallic form. Okay, and for that we are using coke. We will take the ore of generally oxides ore we have to take, and these oxides ore react with coke at a very high temperature. Coke, that is carbon, so it will remove the oxygen from metal to form carbon dioxide. So this is we can say this is the method by which we can extract the metal. So in this way, coke is useful in extracting the metals from the oxides ore. Along with that, it is also used in manufacturing of steels, and it is also used as the fuel in various industries. After that, the next product is coal tar, which is a black colored thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. Now, in this liquid also we are having various products. It is a mixture of near about 200 substances. So, if we again do the distillation of this liquid, so we can obtain various products from this. Okay, so these products are known as coal tar crudes, which includes basically benzene, toluene, xylene, naphthalene, anthracene, etc. So all these substances which are obtained by distillation of coal tar, these are known as coal tar crudes, and all these substances are the starting materials for synthesis of dyes, drugs, perfumes, explosives, preservatives, and so many substances can be formed, can be synthesized by using all these coal tar crudes. So that is the uses of coal tar. That means different products which are basically the starting materials for various substances. After that, the third product obtained by a destructive distillation of coal, that is coal gas. Coal gas is a gaseous mixture of hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide, and other so many gases. It was used for street lighting in London and New York in the early 19th century, and also a source of fuel for domestic cooking. But nowadays it is not used for lighting. Nowadays it is used uh, in the industries as a fuel, and the industries which are situated near the coal processing plants. So that is the use of coal gas. So these are the various products obtained by destructive distillation of coal and their uses. Now, after that, in the next class, we will start with petroleum. So that's all about today's class. In next class, we will continue the chapter with the heading petroleum. Thank you.